There's already a giveaway running on in my channel. If you wish, you can come and participate because there's still time. I have, I think, 3 more winners left, so if you want, you can participate. Hi guys, and welcome back to Jyoti Jia Love. Today I'm going to review for you all this Music Flower Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. Really a long name, but yes, I am using this since I can't say days, because I think I am using it since a year now, almost a year. And recently I've got few requests to review this, and I was like, okay, your wish is my command. So let's start with our review first. First of all, I want to talk about its packaging. You can see it comes in this cardboard type packaging, which it's written Music Flower Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. Also this side you can see all the description. Along with that you can see how to use, and also ingredients is mentioned here, which is very good. Also the expiry date and manufacturing also you can see on one of the sides. Then here it's written smudge proof and waterproof. Also it's written that it comes with exclusive eyeliner brush, which is very good point again. Now here this it retails for 250. I purchased this for like 250 rupees from Amazon, but you can buy it just for rupees 200 from my Instagram store. If you already don't know, then here are the details. If you want, you can just check this Instagram store. Now it also has these two brushes. I use one for my eyebrows and other for the eyeliner. You can use it in any way, whichever you want to, but I'm sorry, this is little dirty because I have already used this many times. But it makes, with these brushes, makes very easy. You know, the application is very easy if you use these brushes, so I totally like them. I always carry them. Now talking about these two bottles, it contains 3-gram product in each container, which is a very good quantity according to me. Now one is black, other is brown. I use black for my eyeliners. Sometimes I use brown also because that's very pigmented as well. Now this black one, you can see both containers are very handy to use. Also you can use this while traveling. It's very it's very the packaging is good, as well as it's very sturdy. It's not that it will be खुल के गिर नहीं जाएगा कहीं पे. बहुत क्लासी लगता है. इसका जो कैप है, you can see it's totally in matte finish. तो yes, it's very good. Now talking about the pigmentation, you can see बहुत creamy है, आराम से glide कर जाता है. No problem in that. बस की इसकी थोड़ा थोड़ा करके आप यूज़ करो. Don't take much big quantity in at a go. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके करो. Other one is brown, one is black. You can see that. Now I also wanted to insert add on a demo here. तो मैं पहले borders कर लेती हूँ. I generally do my eyebrows like this, and उसके बाद I just fill up with the brown gel eyeliner. Also Payal has helped me in this, क्योंकि she only suggested me the first time कि ऐसा करके करो. उसके ऊपर मैं पाउडर से इसको कवर करती हूँ. This is Maybelline का Brow Pencil. If you don't have, you can just use any brown eye shadow. उसके ऊपर मैं कवर कर देती हूँ. आप चाहो तो आप ब्लैक भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. फिर मैं आईलाइनर के लिए भी एक बार बॉर्डर करके उसके अंदर थोड़ा थोड़ा करके ब्लैक जेल आईलाइनर लेके फिल अप करती हूँ, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. Now also let's try about the smudge proof and waterproof वाला चीज़. So all the main thing is it dries very quickly, so no problem is in that. और उसके बाद ये कहीं नहीं जाएगा. मैंने बहुत हार्शली स्मज किया, बट ये कहीं नहीं गया. और वाटरप्रूफ का अगर इफ़ यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट वाटरप्रूफ, इट इज़ वाटरप्रूफ और नो, तो फिर मैं यहाँ पे गुड क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर स्प्रे कर रही हूँ. इफ़ यू कैन सी, उसके बाद भी इट विल नॉट जस्ट गो ऑफ या ड्रेन ऑफ नहीं हो जाता है. ये रहता है आराम से. बट उसके बाद अगर आप उसको हल्के से टच करोगे, इट विल नॉट गो एनीवेयर. बट आफ्टर दैट इफ़ यू लाइक रफ इट, बहुत हार्शली अगर आप इसको रब करोगे, तो ऑफकोर्स देन दैट टाइम इट विल गो. बट ऐसे स्टेइंग पावर इज़ वेरी गुड. आई हैव यूज दिस फॉर 9 to 10 hours. इट वॉज देयर. नॉर्मल जो भी आपके वेट वाइप से आराम से ये निकल जाता है. सो येस, ऑल इन ऑल मुझे ये बहुत पसंद आया. स्टेइंग पावर इज़ ऑल्सो गुड. 9 to 10 hours. आई डोंट नो अबाउट 24 hours. आई हैव नॉट चेक्ड, बट ऐसे मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. इफ़ यू आर बिगनर, यू कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई योर हैंड्स ऑन जस्ट फॉर रुपीज़ 200, और ऐसे भी आप ले सकते हो. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट. Like this product and you want to buy this for yourself, then you can buy it from me also. I already have an Insta store. If you don't know, then I'll just mention all the details and everything down in the description box or here somewhere also. Please do read all the details carefully. So yeah, that was all for today's video. If you find this video useful, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also share this video. That's totally free of cost. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and also hit that bell button, that bell icon there, क्योंकि you will get all the notification पहले ही जैसे ही मेरा वीडियो अपलोड होता है तब. And yes, that was all, and I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.